The design may incorporate an edging. In this case, the edging is the next stage. First, you need to decide on the overhang of the bullnose boards and the height of the fascia. This overhang can be a maximum of 40 mm from the front of the fascia. If you're installing strip lighting, then you can route out a groove on the underside of the board. When you come to mitre, it's best to cut from the centre of a board, using both halves of the board for ease of installation and to account for natural variance in grain and tone. Ensure when gluing the mitered edges together that a PU wood glue and super glue is used. When two edging lengths come together along a single side of the deck, a 45-degree angle back cut should be made so that one piece slides on top of the other. These angles should be painted with touch-up paint before being fixed. Use a string line to install the first length of bullnose board. It's essential that this first board is straight.